No theory, no webinar, no lecture, just practical work. Just spend 4 hours with me in an offline LinkedIn workshop using AI. Come with your laptop and work on your LinkedIn account. At the end of this 4-hour workshop, you will have 1. A fully optimized LinkedIn profile. 2. 100 new connection requests sent to your potential customers. 3. 1 month of LinkedIn content made and scheduled. My name is Piyush Bhatia and I'm a LinkedIn coach with 20 years of digital marketing experience. Here are some bonuses for you. 1. You will convert your LinkedIn into a lead generation machine. 2. You will network with 20 business owners from various businesses. Third, you will start or speed up the use of LinkedIn as a part of your marketing strategy. In case you are one of the business owners who likes action, execution, and results, click on the link below and join me in my LinkedIn workshop.